Сегодня вы увидите то, что в России, да и в мире не видел еще никто.
Russian helicopters have put more than 20 innovations in this aircraft. A new defense system, enhanced autocannon, new anti-tank missiles, true precision bombing for the first time, and air-to-air missiles with helmet-mounted targeting. The new result was a new strike helicopter, which the designers call the most powerful and armed rotary wing aircraft in the whole history of Russian aviation. Remember that name, Mi-28NM. Mi-28NM, the top-tier striker. Many have heard about the new attack helicopter, but every time it managed to avoid the prying eyes.